Have you ever wanted to create a design or a doodle that says something about you just to share it with your friends or to, print it on a t-shirt or something, but you just hate drawing and you don't know where to start? Then this class is for you. Welcome to my class. I'm Leah Amer, a digital artist and illustrator specialized in character design. In this fun class, I will help you to express yourself and unleash the creative side of you. With really fun and easy to follow along steps, you'll learn how to create a stylized illustration about your favorite thing in your daily routine, whether it's yoga, working out, cooking, meditation, or gardening. And you will be able to share this design with the world and use it the way you want. I'll first walk you through Procreate app and all the tools you will need to start drawing right away. We will create reference board together, work roughly on your design to refine it all the way through the final sketch. Then we will color it and add some special touches just to make it all about you. And that's it. Very fun and simple. It's like a gift from yourself to you. You can proudly wear it, print it, and share it everywhere. So grab your iPad and pencil and let's get started. See you in class.